right, good afternoon, boys and girls. I want to go over the answers for page 327, and I'll show you 328, and then we'll be done with math for the day. All right, 354. Circle the value of the underlined digit. The underlined digit is the 3. Well, I have 3 and 3 and 3. But I know that this is the ones column, this is the tens column, this is the hundreds column. So there's my value. 726, the 2 is the digit that's underlined. It's not in the hundreds place. It's not in the ones place. It's in the tens place. Okay, here they go trying to trick you again, putting the numbers out of order. 4, does that stand for 400 because it's over here? No, it doesn't. In this number, the 400 would be here. Okay. Does it stand for 4 sets of 10? Nope. And does it stand for 4 ones? Yes. So that 4 is only worth 4. All right. Here's the 5 is underlined. Is it 5 hundreds, 5 tens, or 5 ones? This column, it's 5 ones. Circle the values of the underlined digit. Some more practice. These are not, or circle the values of the underlined digits. They want you to look, is it 3 tens, 300, or 30? Let's see what the value is. How much is it worth? Okay. Is this 3 tens? Yes, it is. Is it 300? It is not. Is it 30? It is. Right? 3 tens and 30 are the same value. They're worth the same. All right, so let's come over here. The underlined digit is the 8. Is it 8 hundreds? It is. Is it 80? Nope, can't be those two things at the same time. And can it be 800 just written like this? Yes. Okay. The tens digit has a value of 40. Write the number that has the following values. The tens digit has the value of 40. Now, if I'm going to do this, and this is my ones, and this is my tens, and this is my hundreds, then the tens digit has the value of 40. And we know that 4 tens makes 40. The ones digit has a value of 2. And the hundreds digit has a value of 600, which makes that a 6. The number that we are shooting for is 642. All right, let's go to the next page. How many points is one ball worth in each bucket? So, write the score. The score is 354. There are 3 hundreds. There are how many tens? If it's 354, there are 5 tens. And how many in the ones column? 4. So the blue bucket is the one that has 3, because this game, they got 3 in the hundreds. So each bucket, each blue that you get in is worth 100 points. The yellow, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number or which digit is that? It's not the 3, it's not the hundreds, it's not the tens, because that's a 5, it's the 4. So that is 1 point whenever you get it in the yellow bucket. And that means, because we've used 101, that the red bucket, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there. There's 5 tens. That's each worth 10 points. Now this one, similar, says how many points is one ring worth on each peg? Now this is a little tough because Mr. Garrett, hang on, let me turn on the light. That's a little better. Mr. Garrett's a little bit colorblind. So I need a little help. How many points is one ring worth on each peg? If the answer is 213, this is the green peg. Okay, and there's 1 on there, so that's a digit of 1. And there's 1, 2, 3 on here. There's a 3 there. And there's 1, 2 on this one. Okay, 213. So the digits are 2, 1, 3. The 2 is in the hundreds, and that, it says purple. That doesn't look purple to me, but I'm going to go with that. So, let's see. The 1, green, I think that's green. I'm hoping. I really am colorblind, moms and dads. The 1 is 10 points because that's here. The 3, I'm hoping, is blue, and that's 1 point each. And the purple, that looks like that's worth 100 points each when it gets on there because there are 2, and that digit is 2 in the hundreds column. All right. So, moms and dads, you may have just learned something about Mr. Garrett if the kids didn't already tell you. And I hope you have a great weekend. Okay, bye-bye.